What happens to your body when you run 10 minutes every day? Improved cardiovascular health. Running increases your heart rate, which helps to strengthen your heart and improve cardiovascular health. Regular running also helps to lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. Weight loss. Running is an excellent way to burn calories and lose weight. It's also a great way to increase endurance. Over time, running 10 minutes daily can help improve your endurance and stamina, allowing you to run for longer periods without feeling fatigued. Better lung capacity. Running is an excellent form of cardio exercise, and it can help improve your lung capacity and overall respiratory function. Stronger muscles. Running works out several muscle groups in your body, including your legs, glutes, and core. This can help to build and tone these muscles, improving your overall strength. Boosted mood. Running releases endorphins, the feel-good hormone, which can help improve your mood and reduce stress. Weight management. Running 10 minutes daily can help burn calories and manage weight, especially when combined with a healthy diet. Increased flexibility. Running helps to loosen up your muscles and joints, improving your overall flexibility and range of motion. Reduced stress. Running can help reduce stress levels by releasing endorphins and reducing cortisol levels, the stress hormone. This can lead to a sense of calm and relaxation and can even help to improve sleep quality. Improved mental health. Running has been shown to positively impact mental health, reducing symptoms of depression and anxiety and improving overall well-being. Reduced risk of chronic diseases. Regular running can help reduce the risk of several chronic diseases, including type 2 diabetes, certain cancers, and osteoporosis. This is due to improved cardiovascular health, weight management, and reduced stress levels. Stronger bones. Running is a weight-bearing exercise that can help strengthen bones and reduce the risk of osteoporosis, especially in the legs and hips. Improved cognitive function. Studies have shown that running can improve cognitive function, especially in memory and executive functions. This is likely due to the increased blood flow to the brain during exercise. Should I run daily? If you're considering adding running to your daily routine, the answer is a resounding yes. Running 10 minutes daily can have various positive effects on your body. First and foremost, running 10 minutes daily will help you burn calories and lose weight. Depending on your size and speed, you can expect to burn anywhere from 100 to 200 calories in just 10 minutes of running. Secondly, running 10 minutes every day will help keep your body healthy. The endorphins released by exercise are the same chemicals that make you feel happy and give you a sense of euphoria. Running also increases your heart rate and causes natural muscle contractions, which helps to build stronger bones and muscles. Finally, running 10 minutes daily will increase your stamina so you can perform better in other sporting activities. In addition, running will help strengthen the muscles in your feet so that they can carry more weight when doing other exercises, such as long-distance walking or dancing. What positive effects can daily running have? Running every day can have several positive effects on your body. Running is an aerobic exercise that helps to improve cardiovascular health, strengthen muscles, and burn calories. It also helps to reduce stress and anxiety, improve mood, and increase energy levels. One of the most significant benefits of running daily is improved cardiovascular health. Regular running strengthens your heart muscle and increases the efficiency of your blood vessels, which helps to improve heart function and prevent the risk of cardiovascular complications such as heart attacks and strokes. Running also has several mental health benefits. Running can help reduce stress levels by helping to lower cortisol levels, a hormone that causes stress reactions in your body. It also improves feelings of self-worth and well-being, mood stability, thinking ability, memory capacity, cognitive performance, attention span, and focus. A widely known health benefit of running every day is weight loss. One study found that runners who ran between 3 to 5 miles per day lost more weight than those. Is it safe to run every day? Running daily can be a great way to stay in shape and improve your overall health. However, it is important to remember that running is a high-impact exercise and can strain your body if done too often or without proper rest. If you are considering running every day, it is important to understand the potential risks and benefits of doing so, as well as find a running schedule that works. Potential risks of running every day. Running daily can negatively impact your body if done properly or without enough rest time. Some of these risks include injury. Running too much, too soon, or with an inadequate training plan can quickly lead to injuries and overuse injuries, which are more common in runners than other athletes. When not taking the necessary precautions for proper running form, injuries such as shin splints and Achilles tendonitis are common among runners. However, when properly trained and wearing appropriate footwear. Are there any other exercises you should do besides running? Running 10 minutes daily is a great way to get your heart rate up and improve your overall health. It can help you lose weight, build muscle, and reduce stress. However, if you want to maximize the benefits of running 10 minutes each day, it's important to supplement it with other forms of exercise. The aerobic base for a quick and healthy run is the most important thing you should do to have a fast, healthy, and successful 10-minute run. This can be achieved by doing 3 brisk strides with 60 seconds of easy running. The aerobic base should be completed at least twice per week to help improve stamina and overall fitness levels. What are the steps for running daily? Running 10 minutes daily is a great way to get your heart rate up and improve your overall health. It can help you lose weight, build muscle, and reduce stress. However, if you want to maximize the benefits of running 10 minutes each day, it's important to supplement it with other forms of exercise. The aerobic base for a quick and healthy run is the most important thing you should do to have a fast, healthy, and successful 10-minute run. The aerobic base should be completed at least twice per week to help improve stamina and overall fitness levels. Weekly plan. If you're looking to get into the habit of running 10 minutes every day, it's important to have a plan in place. Hey, race a weekly plan to help you get started. Monday, start your week with an easy 5-minute jog. This will help warm your body and prepare you for the rest of the week. Tuesday, increase your speed by 10% and go for a 15-minute jog. Wednesday, increase your speed by 20% and do a 20-minute jog. Thursday, increase your speed again, this time by 30%, and run for 30 minutes. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, take an easy 5 or 10-minute jog at the end of each day to start fresh tomorrow.